So rumors have been spreading that PoppoLive and other similar live streaming platforms are illegal or about to be banned. So in this video today, I'm going to break down the viral forwarded message claiming that these apps are illegal, my own independent fact check, PoppoLive official response to this allegation, and whether you should be worried as an agent, as a host, as a content creator, or as a user on all these live streaming platforms, as well as my advice on how to protect your earning and your personal data. So if you are a content creator, a streamer, or an agent, this video will help you separate the fact from rumors so that you can make the best decision for yourself. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is IJAPARI GYANG, and on this channel I talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So I have to make this video because in the past, I have created over 100 videos talking about different live streaming platforms, and a lot of us on this channel has made a lot of money consistently on this live streaming app. So I'm making this video because there are a lot of people that are waiting to hear from me, because so many of you forwarded this video. Mama, this is what we had, this is what we had, so this is what I have to say. So immediately I saw this news. The first time I just waved it. The second time I said, no, wait a minute, what's really going on? So as an agent that is well known and recognized by the platform, I have a group, WhatsApp group, just for me and few other people that are working with Poppo, like Poppo staff. So I reach out to them. I'm like, this is what I heard. So let me just put it here. But the response I got was like, hello there, thank you for your concern. We are a live streaming platform that has always maintained high quality host and professional agent. If there are any issue, we will fully cooperate with and accept supervision from the relevant authorities. Please rest assured there is no need to worry. So I did not stop at that. I'm like, okay, let me go to other news outlets. Let me go to ChatGPT, because recently now ChatGPT is almost everybody's friend. So this is what ChatGPT also tell me, that I could not find any reputable news coverage or official government statement confirming that these apps were officially declared illegal or banned in hearing. So it is very important to me that I hear all this. So I still dig deeper. I check other, like all these people that can carry news seriously. I check all the news outlets. I did not see. And another thing I also did, I just, of course, check on Google Play Store, check on Apple Store to see if there is anything fishy. And I see that the app is seated right there. It's on Google, it's on Apple Play Store, and it's still visible. So that is a sign that this app are still running and they are not illegal yet. At least we did not hear anything official. So I reach to ChatGPT, I reach out to Poppo, I check news outlets, okay? And one thing that sweets me the most is that this company explained that they are open to regulation and they are not denying any responsibility. So if government had reached out to them, there's something, one thing or the other, that they will put in place. So what does this mean to us content creators, to us live streamers, to us agents? Is number one, don't rely on only one platform. Number two, ensure you have multiple sources of income. Number three, always don't leave your money for too long. Like me, sometimes I do allow my money to go to thousands, but it's a wake-up call that because immediately I heard the news, I cannot lie you, I like kind of shake until I do all this verification, and then I make sure that okay, there's a certain threshold that I cannot afford to lose, so I withdraw. So don't panic, stay informed and diversify your income streams. You can use YouTube as a YouTuber. Like if anything happened to Poppo, I still make money. So as you watch this video, I'm making money from it. As you see advert being placed, I'm making money from it. So there are other platforms you can use to earn money. You can be a freelancer. You can also create content. Talking about YouTube, I did a 30 days YouTube growth challenge, and I'll drop the link to join the challenge in the description of this video. And at the end of the challenge, I launched an ebook. So everything about the challenge is also in the ebook. You can just go to the Telegram and then access everything we did, or if you want everything to be in one place for you as a book, I've also put it as a book. So the link to get the ebook will be in the description of this video, as well as the link to join the challenge if you want it all for free. So do you think these apps are safe or risky? I want you to share your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a beautiful thoughtful comment, as well as there are other live streaming platforms that I just heard about it, but I want to verify one or two things before I publish. So if you want to be among the persons that will first hear about it the moment I publish it on this channel, ensure you like this video, ensure you drop a beautiful comment, ensure you turn on your notification so that you'll be notified the moment I publish a new video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.